So here's after my research what I thought was the best as the procedure. So I preheat the oven to 475 as per instruction. I've removed all the grills and modified so I could use the top one upside down to give me more space. Okay, so this is my setup. A guy showed that he was using some trombones to use as hooks, disposable hooks. Thought it was a brilliant idea. This is the rack that goes back in the oven, so I'll just be putting the powder coat here and then transporting all this inside the oven. This box is the maximum reasonable size that will go inside the oven, so then I can make sure everything's inside that. And in the back I got a vacuum with a filter to get rid of all the dust. I also have a sample piece here. I'm going to be trying out some of these silicone plugs to see how it goes. So as for the gun, it's an Eastwood dry powder coat system. I'm going to be using flat black. I'm using this desiccant to remove a bit more water from my compressor. So as per plan, I'm rotating my my plate 90 degrees so I can make sure there's powder everywhere. So far so good. The result is pretty damn awesome. Just the plugged area. So this was just a test, but the plugged area is troublesome. Some area with nothing, some with puddling. This stuff is awfully hard. So I guess the result would be no plugs and just drill it out after. Now some testing time on the steel brush. That's a lot of wear resistance. Okay, so now the ultimate test with the sandblaster. It took like a second and a half to go through the paint at full blast, like 2 inch from the surface. That's awesome. Maybe my paint is a bit thin and it's still super resistant. Setup works great. The huge majority of the dust is going to the vacuum.